In this section we are going to discuss about the pointer to array elements and the strings. So in the previous section I discussed about the constant pointer and what is a constant and what is a pointers, everything we discussed and I explained with one program. In this section we are going to discuss about the pointer to array elements and strings. So I have a separate program for pointer to array and pointer to string. So before going to the program we have to know the what logic behind that. So first you have to know what is an array. So array means it is a collection of data items or which will be of same type but that will be accessed using the common name. So there are for example one dimensional array is a list and two dimensional array is a table. In the similar way we have to know what is a string. String means it is of data type that will be used in the programming such as an integer and floating point unit, but that will be used to represent the text than numbers. For example, if you take 1 2 3 4 5, that will be a string. So now we can move into now we understood what is an array and what is a string. I am repeating again, array means it is a collection of the data items that will be of same type that will be accessed using a common name. But if it is of string, that will be of data type that will be used in a program that will mainly used to represent the text than the numbers. So this is a definition of array and string. Now we can move into the program. So this is a program. So what I explained in the program is that I am taking an array with size is 4 that represents a 10, 20, 30 and 40. An array of size 4 that stores the 4 elements. So that represents this line. And then pointer variable p that declares that was declared by using a sign operator. Okay, this represents the sign operator and then it is defined and stores the value of array into it. Next point in the next line I am using a loop for it where what the sign operator p is printed and element at the location of a0, a1, a2 and a3. Like that, what means the a0 is 10 and a1 is 20, a2 is 30 and a3 is 40. That will be printed, that will be stored in a sign operator p. So that was explained in this program. So my output will be 10, 20, 30 and 40. I'll be repeating. I am taking a array size of I am taking a array of size 4 elements. I am declaring it by using a sign operator and element at the location of a0, a1, a2 and a3 through which I am printing that will be stored in a sign operator. So through that I am getting an output as 10, 20 and 30 and 40. Okay, next is the pointer to string. So I already explained what is a string. Now I am moving into the code. So in this code, what I am doing is that str represents the string pointer that declared and stores the string as the srm ist. This srm ist that represents it stores the string at srm ist. And what does strlen represent is that it is a string declaration that is used to calculate the total size of the string. Okay, thus in the loop what I am doing is that pointer increment that was done by using what double incrementation and string points that completes the character stored into it. So for that I am getting an output as srm ist.